What's up, gang? I hope everybody is well. I just wanted to come through with you guys real quick and make this video because I'm excited. I am nervous. I am proud. I am accomplished. I am achieved. I am all things great at this moment right now. And I wanted to share this with my gang. So if you are here, that means I love you. You are connected with me. And it is meant for you to share this magical moment that I have manifested with myself and with you all, because you all encouraged me. You guys have been asking me this for a while. So, wow. Okay. So, let's get to it. Because I know y'all like, what? It's about mama. Show us, show us. So, without further ado, I want to introduce to you the Magical Gang Oracle deck. Yes, y'all mama did that. Yes, come through, come through. I am so excited. I said I cannot open up this pack without my gang seeing me do this for the first time. So I love y'all. Thank y'all for inspiring me. And this is for y'all. So before I open it, I'm going to read the back because I have a special message for my gang. It says, "What's up, Magical Gang? This deck was created for all my Magical Gang members. I hope you find spiritual insight, perspective, and healing through this Oracle deck for many years to come. This is Mama Magical's special gift to you. Love you all so much. Mama Magical." Y'all, I'm so excited. So without further ado, can I say unboxing? Because it didn't come in no box. I'm just gonna say it because I want to. Without further ado, let me unbox this Oracle deck with y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, my hands is shaking because this is my first time seeing this deck, and it's with you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. So I'm excited. They are a good size. I love it. Okay. So y'all ready to flip through this deck with me for the first time? So y'all gonna see if it's a misprint in them, if it's a mistake, if it's a misspelled word, any of that. Y'all going to see this with me, y'all. So I am excited. So let's get started. The first card, toxic as fuck. And you know it too. You know it. Happiness. Happiness, joy, love, comfort, relaxation, and prosperity is yours. Ashe. Celebration, accomplishments, weddings, parties, graduations, achievements. Initiate, time to take lead. It's all on you. Lovers, romance, intimacy, sex affairs, dating, attraction, flirting. I got some special stuff in this deck too, y'all. Look deeply. Take a very good look at this situation. There is more you should know. Read between the lines. I know that's right. Quality time. Someone is feeling neglected. Give more time. Patience. Patience is needed. In due time, things will happen or be revealed. Finances. Time to check the coins, boo. Slow down. You're spending too much. Issues with investing or saving. Self-care. Take yourself out. Buy something nice. Get glammed up. It's all about you, boo. Cleanse. Spiritual cleanse, bath, or sage is needed. Level up. Boss up. Promotion, upgrade, or going to the next level. Time to boss up, boo. Career. Hard work pays off. Energy could also involve co-workers or a boss. Friends. This energy involves friends and associates. Family. Check in with your immediate family, distant or close family. Children. A child needs your help or attention. Protection. You may need protection. Protect yourself or others. Year. I told y'all gonna like this. May happen in a year or years from now. Months. May happen next month or in a few months. Weeks. May happen in a few days, next week, or in a few weeks. I told y'all, Mama Magical got y'all. I got the timelines in here. Abusive. Energy of abuse, sexual, physical, mental, or verbal, or drugs. Close your mouth. Keep it to yourself. Keep all secrets. You talk too much. Competition. Competitive energy. Bring it, bitch. Breakup. A breakup, separation, or possible divorce. Time to leave. Watching. Somebody's watching you. Stalking, spies, or being nosy. Blessings come through. Blessings are coming. Have faith. Confirmation. Here's your confirmation, babe. Choices. Time to make a decision. Soon a decision will be made. Choose wisely. Ancestors. You know I had to put the ancestors in here. Your ancestors are here. Your spirit team. Spirits. Spirits surround you now. Spiritual activity or contact. Danger. Watch out. Be careful. Possible conflict. It's not safe. Energy. How does it feel, boo? Tap in. Period. Guilty. Shame. Lies. They did that shit. They did that shit. Shock. Brace yourself. Shit is about to get real. Surprise. Something is coming. Be ready. Delusion. Time to get real. Wake the fuck up. Soulmate. Divine love. Past life connection. Unconditional. Let it go. Release. Time to move on. Better things to come. Ashe. Alignment. Keep going. This is destiny. All is well. Jail. Illegal activities. Arrested. Police. Unlawful fraud. Jealous. The hate is real bad. Fuck 'em. Vacation. Time for some fun, babe. Travel, rest, and relaxation. Manifest. Law of attraction. Speak it into existence. Black magic. Negative energy. Evil, dark, witchcraft. Hell no. Strong no. Hell yeah. A strong yes. Secrets. Hidden truths, hidden knowledge, or information. Third party. Others involved. Three-way, threesome, communication. Pregnant. Pregnancy, baby on the way, or about to give birth. Now, that could be spiritual, too. Keep that in mind. It's not always physical. Intuition. Listen to your gut. Inner voice. Higher self. No. The answer is no. See, I had hell no, so that's a strong no. But no, it could be like, not right now. Just not for now. But things can change. Yes. The answer is yes. Same thing goes for the hell yes. Relocate. Might be time to move. New home. Responsibility. Time to get your shit together. Don't slip up. Abundance. Money, money, and more money. Get that money, boo. Sex. Spicy energy. Sexual, horny, or freaky as hell. Health. Pay attention to your health. Physical or mental. A fucking liar. You are getting lied to, or you are the liar. Play chess, not checkers. Make your next move your best move. Do not get played. Learn the lesson, or you will repeat it. Magic. Remember how I had black magic? Now this is just magic. Use your magic. Get creative. Magic is within. Do you, boo? Period. I cracked myself up. Okay, and we're at the end. This is my thank you card. So this was just a really quick video. I love you guys so much. You guys have inspired me to do this. I told y'all Don't play with Mama Magical. I have more to come. I'm working behind the scenes. I'm trying to give you guys more of me because you guys give me so much of you. So I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Yes, I will be doing pre-release sales. So if you're interested, definitely come over to the website. I will have a section for these cards for a pre-release. So please allow them, I would say anytime between 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to say about a month. So if you think my cards is worth it, boo, come on over. Come over to the website. It's magicalflowerstarot.com. I love y'all. Y'all are my people. Y'all are my family. Y'all are my gang. I really make these cards for y'all because y'all just mean that much. Oh, y'all gonna make me get emotional. Y'all just mean that much to me. So I love you guys. This is, like I said, a really quick video. I did not feel right doing this without you guys. So, man, let me just, because I'm going to just keep running my mouth because I'm just so excited, y'all. I feel like I'm going to start just talking and talking. I do that when I get excited. So I'm going to cut it off because I do want to go live. Once again, these cards are available for pre-order. There will be a pre-order for them. So to come, if you want that, just come over to my website and you'll be able to see what my story is. And come on through and order the Magical Gang deck. I love y'all. Okay. Ashe.